this video, what we want to do is a lot of people get confused when they drop off their vehicles. They don't understand the process of how the vehicle is going to get repaired or what the customer has to do. But
okay.
I think it'll help a lot of folks, you know.
Yeah.
Especially if we put it on YouTube, because I've even heard of my customers trying to Google what's the process of getting
Informative. Yep.
Yeah.
People look for that all the time.
So where we're starting right now, we have a vehicle, a Toyota Corolla out there. It came in, customer called me on Friday, and I called Progressive right away, let them know that the vehicle was landing here on Monday. And I spoke personally with the adjuster right away on Monday morning, and before the customer dropped off, and I told them plan on being here at least 45 minutes because I want to tear it down. I don't want to do any supplements, you know. And they're very respectful with our shop, and he said, okay, yeah, no problem. So he came, he took his pre-photos, the vehicle being the way it is when it got in the accident. And then while he was here, we tore it all down. We took all the front bumper off, all the pieces that we needed to take off, so he could look at all the structure inside, and we did it all in one shot. So now there's not going to be a supplement. There's not going to be that 2 weeks added to say, oh, I need more parts, and then order them. You know?
Yeah.
So right now what we're doing, I just got the estimate from the insurance today, which is Tuesday now. So the car dropped off yesterday. I have the okay, permission to work on the vehicle, and I have the estimate, and I'm ordering the parts today, maybe tomorrow morning, because it takes a while to put everything together.
Okay, and you were contacted by the customer on when? On Friday?
Yeah.
So within 3 days, you've already had approval and started dismantling the car.
Correct. Yeah, and that's pretty much.
That's
how
why you're
we
called
do it.
Fast Track.
That's Fast Track Collision Center.
Okay.
So when we order the parts tomorrow morning, they take 5 to 7 working days, unless they're in back order, which so far I haven't seen any on back order. We should see them by next week, mid next week. So once we start the process mid next week, and the customer's already in their rental. So as soon as they dropped off the car here, I don't even wait for Enterprise. We jumped in my truck, we went to Enterprise to make sure we got our vehicle.
Oh, that's very nice. Yeah.
But
that's customer service right there. Yeah.
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 So, so we just move along with them, you know, and like I said, we're not a corporate shop, but we are LLC incorporated, you know, and we're just more personable with our customers. We like to follow through on everything, you know. So every customer we have ever had in 9 years has been word of mouth. We don't spend money on advertising, anything like that. The only one little thing I like doing is this right here.
Yeah.
Giving customers the proper information.
Yeah.
You know, so.
And it's face to face, and it's your company. So what they see when they look something up on the internet, if they find you, they come into your shop and they find you.
Well, correct. If you go to some of the corporate shops, you'll see 40 cars backed up in front of their shop.
Yeah, and they're talking weeks, maybe months.
Oh no, they're 2 months behind.
Okay.
You know, so month to 2 months behind.
Yeah.
And what
not
they're
to
doing,
put you on the spot, but what is your estimated time of being finished? The customer gets the car back.
Oh, the insurance is going to give us roughly about a month and 1 week on that. I say we'll be done in about 3.5 weeks. So
that's really good.
Estimate. Most of the parts that are paintable already showed up, which is great. That's the ones we want to show up first.
Okay.
The rest of the little pieces doesn't matter because we got to get this going first of all.
Yeah.
So that was step 1. Step 2, which was the tear down and getting with the adjuster. Step 2 is opening up all the parts, mirror matching them. That means getting the parts, taking them up to the old ones, making sure everything is correct.
Holes line up.
Yeah, holes line up, everything's good. So that's the next step. The third step now is to scuff them up, and we're just gonna edge the parts. So edging means that we're gonna paint the edges of the fenders, we're gonna paint the bottom of the hood, we're gonna paint the bumper, and we're gonna get everything lined up. So then the fourth step is to tear down the rest of the car and put these parts on. You know, line it all up, get it nice.
Yeah.
And then the fifth part is going to be to paint the rest of the car. That's painting the top of the hood, the fenders, blending into the doors, and then after that, we finish putting the rest of the pieces together, the lights, the bumper, all that. We do a wet sand and buff after we put it all together, detail the car, and then deliver it to the customer.
Okay.
And we do all those steps within the amount of about 2 weeks. So far, the insurance gave us 3.5 or 4 weeks. Right now, we're barely on the first week, and we are already at this
Yeah.
well, not even the first week.
Yeah.
Because it came in Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. She called you Friday.
Yeah.
Today's Friday, so 1 week ago,
Yeah.
she
So,
called you.
Now what I'll do is I'm gonna prep these parts, and you guys can see how it is. It's already scratched, and see how shiny that is.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna clean the boot, move everything in there, make the paint, and I'll show you how I make the paint, and then we'll continue from there. Sometimes my ADD kicks in, it's so hard to get right to it, you know?
Yeah.
See how transparent it is? You can see the lines of the sticker back there. That's why they want you to spray this first. Plastic. Okay, so first you have your adhesive promoter. Then you have your sealer. Okay, the other parts we don't have to seal, but the bumper we do, you know. Then you have your base coat, okay? And then for your base coat, you got your color. And then from your color, you got your clear. And then you're done. So this is everything that it takes to make that color proper. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the adhesion promoter on the bumper, then we're gonna seal it, and then we're gonna spray our base coat, and then we're gonna get a spray out card, spray the base coat on that. Before we paint the car, or the parts, we're gonna spray out our spray card, and then we're gonna go look at it by the car and see how well it matches. If we have to tint this color, we'll do it at that time.
Yeah.
You know, so, and then clear it. So, tips, here's your
So a little over one good coat is telling me that's one coat, that's 2 coats. The way they do the shadows, so 2 good coats look pretty much dead on there.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna de-trim the doors, get them ready for paint, and we're gonna take the fenders off, and we're gonna put our pieces that we painted the other day. So then once we do all that, we can put it in the paint booth and then get it ready for paint.
No, they did a good job on this. Look at that.
Huh.
That's not in this car.
Alright. There's everything. We put the new lights, bumper on and stuff.
Ooh, did you
Can we
clean
redo
this
that?
too?
So
Oh, yeah.
Because that didn't go good.
Yeah, he did. He cleaned the motor.
We did. Yeah, we cleaned everything underneath and we put the new radiator support and stuff on there and everything underneath. Alright, so yeah, we're all done. So we just did the color match, blend into your doors, replace the fenders, the front bumper, radiator support, and pretty much cleaned the car.
That just
So,
looks so nice.
Thank you. So you're all happy with it?
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
Okay. Well, let's go inside, take care of the paperwork, and then we're all good. I'll get your keys.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.